Me from God. Show you right on. For show you right on. Hey you guys. So of course, spend the day with me. I am trying to upload a vlog, and guess what? No storage. But I bought this little USB. Bought this little USB, and I'm supposed to be able to export stuff. So, because I have another video that I have to put, and y'all see that video before this one. But the one that I'm trying to currently upload is a day in my life as a trucker, which is after that video, but still it's a day in the life as a trucker, so it has something to do with the same thing. But yeah, so what I'm about to do is I'm about to clean up. I'm about to try to let my phone charge, because I also have that Fashion Nova haul that I need to do today. But the USB, the phone can't lock. So yeah, so yeah, in a little bit I'm about to change the sheets on my bed because me and my hubby, we just upgraded our room. I'm about to put the pictures and stuff out for him to put up there. And yeah, see y'all in a little bit. See, I mean, I'm about to fix the closet up later. I still gotta cook the bed, but I did get the vacuum. And I don't know how I did get that video uploaded too. My camera really washes me out. So I'm in my red, well, I'm trying to get into my red girl look era. I don't know how it's going, y'all. Tell me. I'm off today, as if you can't tell, because I would never put on makeup when I'm off, but I have that Fashion Nova try-on haul, and I can't wear it done because I gotta try to get an idea of how I'm gonna look for what I'm wearing the outfit for. But we'll talk about that when I get back. Okay, so come with me to run some errands. Let's go. This is the outfit of the day. Shoes are Nikes. I really need to go get me some more shoes. I don't know where these pants are from, but the shirt is from Fashion Nova. Apple Watch, I need to get me a new band because I wear this band to work and it's filthy. And then me from God. Period. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and leave out this house. The little bitty baby right here better bring her butt on. Trying to put on her daddy's shoes. Come on, Leia. Go, come on. The makeup is, don't worry about this mirror. My mama car's just, it's going, but we still there. I did it, okay? But the makeup is makeuping.
Mama, Papi.
I know. What we about to eat? What we about to eat, Mom?
Actually, downstairs.
For sure you right on. For sure you right on. So we are back inside. So I can show y'all what we got from Walmart while I put the groceries up. And hurry up and straighten up, get ready to cook. Put the girls in the tub. Show y'all what we got from Vans for the girls. So then you know we gotta do that haul after. Y'all most likely see that before this video too. So yeah, let's go ahead and start. You ain't drinking no water. And what you doing? My doctor put me on this water right here. And yeah, I love you. Yeah.
Mama, Mommy.
Huh? So all I did was get a couple things and spent $89, I think. So I got some Frosted Flakes, 2 things of strawberries because my kids love strawberries. I hate Walmart strawberries, but I wasn't going to Whole Foods. Got some Nana. Had to get them some more pancakes. Don't be having time to make no homemade. Had to get them some more syrup. Some jam. Then some gum. Where the hell this come from? I'm assuming Leia threw this in the thing. I'm gonna have to look at that receipt because we like, I ain't asked for this. Give me the other bag too. I got some turkey ground meat to do the whatchamacallit, spaghetti. Some regular spaghetti. Some trash bags for our room. Blue Bonnet margin too. Bring me all the bags so I can put all the stuff up. Some Activia. Some yellow American cheese. Oh, dirty. Just that fast. Some Gold Peak sweet tea. Yeah. Is it?
Yeah.
Some almond milk, and that's it. And of course the brown egg. Yes. So now I'm about to clean this kitchen up and I'll be back after I finish doing that. It's currently 4:17. Let's see how much. Yeah, I cleaned up the kitchen so I can finish cooking. Well, so I can start cooking. So yeah. So my kitchen is ready to go to be cooked. And I got my pots out. So this pot I have the spaghetti. This pot I have the water. I mix my cornbread up in here. Put my cornbread in there, my chopping board, and then the pot to soak my chicken so I can air fry some chicken. So now we about to get this room together. So my husband, when he home, all you have to do is put up these pictures, and then yeah. But I'm about to go ahead and film my Fashion Nova trial haul, and I think I'm gonna film it right here for right now. So yeah. So I'm about to go ahead and make the bed and all that stuff. See y'all in a few. I don't know how we're gonna like the silk sheets, cause baby, this stuff keeps sliding. But That's the best it's gonna get. Gotta get some bigger pillows. But now I'm finna go ahead and finish straightening the room up so I can set my ring light up and go ahead and get this Fashion Nova haul out. To go ahead and upload the day in my work life with me. So you guys go ahead and click on that. If you're any woman out here who want to become a truck driver, want to see what it's like to be a truck driver, make sure you watch that video. It'll be about 2 videos before this one. So see y'all later. Yeah. So my honey finna be on his way home, so we're finna go ahead and start the food first before I record the video. 2, no. Set up. Fashion Nova haul out now. Go watch. So these are the shoes that I got from Vans. I got my oldest daughter these and as well as these. Now they both have matching shoes. So let's see. I got my youngest baby. So I got her these. Got her these. And like I said, they both got a pair of matching shoes. And the matching shoes are these. And all this came together to $139 something. So basically round up. I just did the Fashion Nova haul. I might put a little snippet in here. I don't know. But anywho, I am about to fix my mom her food and go bring it to her. And then I'm finna go back home and drink me some wine and relax. So, I'll see y'all. What about wine?
I was telling that, what is wine?
Sounded a little too excited though. But anywho, I will see y'all tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. So can I have 2 4-count chick minis, just the entree?
Just a 4-count mini entree?
Yes, ma'am. Can I get 2 of them?
So just a 4-count mini entree?
Yes, just the, right now. I have something else to order, but 2 of the 4-count minis entrees. Just this.
Okay, I can't. I'm sorry, but I can't hear you.
2 of the 4-count mini entrees.
All right.
And then I also need a burrito chicken, but could the chicken be spicy? Just the entree.
Okay.
And that's it.
So 2 4-count minis entree and a spicy burrito entree.
Yes.
Okay. Any comments?
No, ma'am. Well, I'm sorry. Jelly.
Jelly?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you at the window.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
I need another call.
You got another car money?
I do have money.
Do you have another car money?
The call?
Another car money?
I do have call money.
There you are.
Oh, did they put the jelly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You too. What's up, YouTube? So we're back again with another day vlog. Spend a day with me. I'm off today. And me and this little baby stay falling asleep. I'm supposed to be up. But anyway, we about to get up right now and about to start our day. So see y'all in the next clip. let y'all know how people are testing me today. Really testing me, and it's not early, but it's too early. It's too early. And I didn't even record it, but I should have showed y'all. If anybody knows, if you know you're driving a small car, then you know parking spots are small and stuff like that. Okay, it's normal for a small car to park in some spots. But if you have an oversized truck, Tahoe, jacked up GMC or anything like that, why would you park in between a small truck and another? You park on side of a big truck, but you park next to a small car. You're sitting in your car. You see that you park closer to the line that's meant for the other driver to get in the car. You're sitting in the car. You see I'm struggling. But see, the second I would have hit her car with my door, she would have got out the car talking about something like, oh, I put damages and stuff. And my right mind, really my wrong mind, was telling me to hit the car. But I ain't had time. I'm trying to be very, very much peaceful today. My husband set the tone this morning when we listened to T.D. Jakes. I don't want to look. No, it's just glossy. But yeah, I'm trying to be very much peaceful. And I'm already upset that I can't do what I really wanted to do today. But I might just do it when I pick up my daughter and just take her with me. So, yeah. Anybody else job summon them for meetings? Forgot to close, but thank you guys for watching the vlog. See you in the next one. Bye.